to.
Aba naman yan.
Hello, Lakay. First of all, wow.
Una sa lahat.
I love you. And ito na to. See you soonest. Wow. This gift serve as my first gift to you for being your wife now. Wow, hindi pa mamaya pa yun. I mean later pala, sabi niya rin. Smile, we got this. Yours soonest wife, L.
Dear Rosel, pagpasensyahan mo na itong regalo ko. Bawi na lang ako pag mag-asawa na tayo. I love you, Bakit. Dear husband, 10 taon na nakakalipas, ipinagdasal kita sa Panginoon. Sabi ko, Lord, bigyan mo naman ako ng sign para makilala ko yung taong makakasabay kong mangarap, maging inspirasyon, at makakasabay makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. So gumawa ako ng paraan na pag-isip-isip kong magpahuli sa pag-i-enroll ng NSTP subject. Para kapag puno na yung slot, ipunta ako sa ibang department. At ayun na nga, from BA to Engineering Department. Alam mo, unang araw pa lang ng semester, sabi ko, ang unang lalaking makakausap ko ang magsisilbing sign. JR, naalala mo, inilipat ang classroom natin sa ibang room. At andun ako malapit sa pintuan. Sumilip ka tapos nagtanong ka sa akin, Miss, dito ba inilipat yung NSTP class?
First of all, I want to thank the Lord for giving me a wonderful woman to be my blessed wife. Rosel, for 10 years, wow, 10 years of ups and downs. Thank you for not giving up on me, on us. Sa kabila ng lahat ng pagsubok na ating pinagdaanan, sa uli tayo pa rin.
Take the time you need to change and heal. Let me show you you were made to feel.
Lakay, first of all, I love you. Lakay, I chose you and promise to choose you as my husband every day. I promise to love you every second, minute, and every hour of every day. I promise to respect you. I promise to accept all your imperfections. Lahat ng ang lips mo. I promise to eat and be healthy with you, kahit hindi masarap ang luto mo. Pupunuhin ko ng pagmamahal ang puso mo. Aalagaan kita hanggang pagtanda natin. Hindi ako magsasawang intindihin ka sa araw-araw. So, suportahan kita sa lahat ng naisin mo. Huwag lang makakasama sa'yo, ha? Hindi ko ipapangako ang perpektong buhay mag-asawa, pero sisikapin kong maging mabuting asawa at ina sa magiging anak natin. Loving what I know of you and trusting what I don't yet know, I give you my hand, I give you my love, I give you myself, the good, the bad, and yet to come. I love you forever, your wife, Rosel.
I was taken in emotions. You were moving like a poet. I was falling for you. We were falling into chorus, falling and we're falling into chorus.
At kapatid na Rosel Rebilala ay mag-asawa na ngayon, alisunod sa utos ng Diyos at ng batas ng Republika, sa pangalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. you may know is the best.